SRT 6.4 liter, completely stripped, and it had some bullets in a windshield. So it does start. Ooh, full replacement. Oh, but hold this sec. No, guys, look at that. They threw away keys for a reason. What's up, everybody? My name is Andre, and welcome to AutoHacker channel, the only channel on YouTube where I show you how to save up to 50% on your next car. And today I'm back at Copart, and I want to check two Jeeps, Grand Cherokee. The cool stories about that ones, they were purchased by dealers, rebuild them, and they put it back at auction. And I want to see how well they've done the repairs, because one car is extremely cool. It's SRT 392 6.4 liter. Retail price is over $60,000, and right now you can buy it at $36,000, which is huge savings of $25,000. So let's go and check it out. And I found it. SRT 6.4 liter, which was completely stripped, and it had some bullets in a windshield. So let's walk around and see how they've done the repairs. So I see actually the front door, the paint quality is not great, so it's been fixed, and then it's closed. I need key for this car. Sheesh. I need to go get keys for this one, because I want to see what's inside. The office couldn't find keys, therefore we found the way to get the car open and see what's inside. Okay, so the car, I'm surprised. Condition is really good. Okay, finally it's not making any noises, so we can just walk around. So the front bumper is repainted. I can see it, the marks there. Headlights, okay. I can see there is like damage in the paint. Actually, it's missing the clear coat, I believe. This door being repainted. So we talked about the tires. This tire is gone. It's exactly the same Pirelli Scorpio, but the rear tire being, I guess they did like a burnout. Besides that, it looks decent, guys. I mean, there is I think a dent right here. Yeah, the dent is right there. What else? Nice exhaust. Look at this one. Whoa, exhaust is nice. The rear looks good, and just to remind you, it was completely gone. The wheel's nice. There's some scratches right here. Let's see on this door. This door is decent. Interior is good. I see there is tear in a front seat. Maybe time to replace that. Headrest is gone on this one. Headrest is gone on this one. The dash is in place. Has nice carbon fiber. So I mean, they've done amazing job. I wish I could start the car and, you know, like see if how it sounds and whether they've done everything. Oh, but hold a second. No, guys, look at that. Whoa, so the dash is not nice. So they tried to put it back, but you see, oh, here we go. I can take it out. So they didn't finish it. Okay, so they put it back, but the leather, it was glued, and now I guess the heat and sun, you know, shrink it. Okay, the headliner, decent. Lights work, battery is good. So since there is no key, the battery is going to be dead on this one. We opened the door, we left it for the reason, so they can jump start it. I'm not sure, would I buy it for $36,000? Probably not. I know it's a rebuild title. I know they've done hell of a job to put it all together, but I mean, there is no key. I cannot verify that it starts. I cannot verify there's no problem mechanically. Okay, that's another Jeep that I wanted to inspect. It was purchased in Illinois and brought to Florida. That's what some dealers do at Copart. They buy heavy damaged cars. they kind of fix it, put it back at Copart or insurance or auction for sale. So it looks like it's a minor damage car, but actually not. The most damage is still there. The frame damage is there, but you kind of buy minor damage car. I call it stage car, and I definitely do not recommend buying these kind of cars, guys. Lots of issues. You see the door doesn't close. Huge gap. This one doesn't close as well. It tries to close. Are you gonna close or not? Let's see. So it tries to close it. Nope, doesn't work. And it has lots of other damages. Damage here, roof, rear tailgate, quarter panel, broken taillight, and etc. Damage, bumper not painted, damage, lots of damage. So this one, the repair is done pretty cheap. Okay, what's inside? Dirty, 54,000 miles. Let's see. Well, actually, there is a tensioner, so this one is okay. Why they've done this one here? Also, tensioner works, so this is a good part. Let's see what else in this car. Okay, so there is one key, 2017 Jeep. Okay, good. So it seems to be, I could start it. On the back, a little dirty. Okay, so there is something going on with the rear lift gate, making some noises. Airbags, good. No deployed airbags, so this at least this part is fine. There is a damage. Quarter panel needs to be fixed. Rear bumper has a damage. 4x4, what is that? That is not much. Ooh, that's unfortunate damage to the paint. So this needs to be painted. Damage here, broken taillight. Yeah, it has lots of damage, so even though it looks kind of decent, that's why it probably doesn't close, because of this part. There is weather tags. Okay, what else we can find here? Ooh, full replacement. That's nice. Jack is there. Okay, they decided to leave everything inside the car. Okay, good. At least you get some bonuses if you buy it. Let's see if I can close it. No, it doesn't close because it's misaligned. So this part, see, it goes down. This one, no. Nope. So there is a damage. Nope, it doesn't close. Oh, actually it tries to close, but then you see it tries and that's it, it can't. Okay, so work to be done here. This is fine. There is a not nice damage. You cannot pop it up. You need to fix it, paint it. What else? So this one, I've done it this way because it's broken. Mirror is gone. Okay, damage. Yeah, this one, they've done bad job. You know, that's just like a quick fix to sell it for profit. Let's open the hood and see what's inside. 3.6 liter engine, and on a picture it looks decent. Okay, so this part doesn't work, it's stuck because the hood misaligned. I guess they bought, like, is it original, or they bought used one with the damage, but the problem is right there. Let me show you. There is like a frame damage. Yeah, and that's covered. You won't see it on pictures. So I do not like this Jeep. The repairs on this Jeep done poorly. If I close this one, you see it doesn't close properly, it doesn't align. Huge gap here. The color of the fender is different. They just bought a used one, the one they found. But what concerns me, this damage, and this needs to be fixed properly. Okay, let's go start it. The only reason they put it back at the auction to sell it for profit. Okay, so let's at least try to start it. So it does start. Okay, nice digital everything. So it says service anti-lock brake system not working properly because of the front damage. Washer fluid low. Okay, that's not bad. What else? Low fuel, engine sign, service electronic stability control doesn't work. So it does have issues that needs to be addressed. Okay, so is the airbag was deployed? Not really sure about this one. Maybe airbag is fine. Cover needs to be glued. I would definitely skip this Jeep because when you buy it, there are lots of hidden damages. So you kind of think, oh, there's like minor damages. I'm gonna spend a little bit of effort and fix it. No, this one, they just covered it, put some used parts which are cheap. They found it on eBay maybe, put it all together and kind of, it appears, oh, look, minor damage car. Go ahead and purchase it. So I would definitely skip this Jeep. There are lots of great cars at Insurance Auto Auction. Go to carsfromwest.com and start searching. Lots of theft recoveries, vandalism with keys, clean title and run and drive. And if you need help purchasing the car, you don't have a dealer license, carsfromwest.com is your friend. We have both auctions, insurance and Copart, one registration which is completely free, one deposit, and you can bid at both auctions. That's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. Cheers.